Hennessey fans, welcome to another great video. My name is Alex. This is Kenzie. We're on the Hennessey Proving Ground test track, and today we have an amazing comparison race for you. To my right, we have a bone stock wide body Hellcat, and to my left, we have the brand new Hennessey Super Venom Mustang, 850 horsepower of supercharged V8 goodness. This is an automatic version, and so is this. So they're both automatic, American-made, rear-wheel drive, front-engine V8 muscle cars, and we're going to compare them today. One is modified, one is stock. Let's see how they do.